tablescape with this beautiful piece of silver fabric. And this is a repurpose because if you remember, I cut it in half and I used half on my New Year's tablescape, and I used this half as a tree skirt for my upstairs tree. So here it is repurposed once again. Next, I'm gonna come in with these beautiful leaf pattern silver chargers, and these I got from Home Goods.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, I would love to welcome you for the very first time and invite you to return as a family member.
I'm gonna come in next with these beautiful silver plates for our place setting, and I also have the matching bowls. These I purchased from Home Goods as well. Now this video is part of the collaboration It's My Birthday. And this is a seasonal collab hosted by Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living. And guess what? It's my birthday. And y'all thought I would decorate in purple, but I didn't. I dressed for the occasion. And what's a birthday celebration, honey, without the birthday cake? Now this is a faux cake that I created, and I'll make sure to link the DIY tutorial video in the description box below. So I have some candles and some florals that I'm going to add to my table. And this is a DIY lighted gift box. I'm going to come in with just a couple of balloons because after all, this is a birthday party. And then I have just a couple bedazzled party hats, also DIY. Now let me come in with my glassware.
For my candles, I did a row of 5 candles, and then I did a row of 4, because I am 54 and fabulous, honey. Proud of it. Yes, all day. I'll make sure to link all of my co-hosts down in my description box. So make sure you stop by their channels and show them some love.
And there we have it. So let me bring you in for that closer look.